Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to find the best surveys on Freecash. Now once you open the Freecash app on your mobile device, at the bottom you want to make sure that you're on the Task tab. So once you click on it, look over at the top and you see some options. You can see All, Sign Up, Game, App and Deposit. You want to click on All. Then once you click on All, you see All Offers. The goal of this is to be able to click on the filter button. You can see the filter button right here, so click on it. And once you do that, you see some options for filtering. You can see the search filter, the sort by filter, and device filter. So of course you want to click on the device filter, which is a drop down of course, and then you selecting between Android and iOS. And then if you click on sort by, you see most popular of course. And then if you click on sort by, you'll see highest reward, lowest reward, and most popular. Go ahead and choose highest reward. And then in the search, you want to search for surveys. So since surveys is what you're looking for, simply type in surveys. And once you do that, you would have selected the right filters. So with that, you'll be able to see the best surveys available on Freecash at the time you're searching for them. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.